This video will take a look at neuroscience in order to understand what is being done to TIs from a psychological point of view. Common subversive tactics, their effects, and countermeasures TIs can use in order to reverse the programming are discussed. Also included in the description are dozens of testimonials of people who found relief from their targeting through positive lifestyle and mindset changes, as well as a substantial amount of resources for insight and keeping the negativity at bay. With recent advances in modern science, we have neuroplasticity to show us that our brains react and build pathways based on our thoughts. The eye of the beholder, it is what you make of it, are all common idioms that sum up what neuroplasticity teaches us. In other words, think positive as our thoughts shape our reality. Any TI can relate and would have had first-hand experience of this. These measures are taken in order to keep you down, foster negativity, self-pity, victim mentality, and fear. We should take great care and caution before subscribing to views, ideas, and explanations we find on the internet, which is often negative reinforcement, especially information related to TIs. Bertrand Russell has an interesting quote here. The fact that an opinion has been widely held is no evidence whatsoever that it is not utterly absurd. Indeed, in the view of the silliness of the majority of mankind, widely spread belief is more likely to be foolish than sensible. They want to manipulate us into solely thinking about ourselves, our problems, their actions, how unfair it is, how evil they are, and similar thoughts. These serve no good at all and in fact lead us now down the negative path which ends in self-pity, helplessness, hopelessness, anger, isolation, and fear. An old Cherokee is teaching his grandson about life. "A fight is going on inside me," he said to the boy. "It is a terrible fight and it is between two wolves. One is evil. He is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, and ego. The other is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, faith. The same fight is going on inside of you and inside every other person too." The grandson thought a while and asked his grandfather, "Which wolf will win?" The old Cherokee simply replied, "The one that you feed." Spend as much time as possible doing other stuff: gardening, blogging, music, arts, dancing, singing, craft, hobbies, meditation, sports, yoga, reading scripture, adopt a stray, volunteer work, charity work, using social media positively. That means helping TIs, providing support, a kind word, even the value of a small smile is underestimated these days. All these creative activities keep us productive and can even produce a positive effect on the life of others and thus on ourselves as well. This helps us improve our self-confidence, self-satisfaction, self-worth, find contentment, value, a sense of community, joy and peace for ourselves and others. Here are a few testimonials of people who have used the positive lifestyle and mindset changes mentioned and have managed to get some relief and even completely stop their targeting. Please check out the description of this video. I have compiled a few useful links that contain valuable information for TIs as well as provide a source of positive literature and inspiration in order to keep our minds fed with goodness. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps. Peace.